Yo, welcome in. How are we doing? We're doing an unboxing today for Venti full body tracking for virtual reality. All right, so I used I used I used it yesterday for the first time, and it's absolutely amazing. But I decided to go and I decided to put everything back in the box. I have all my straps and all that stuff set up already. But we're gonna go through it. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna unbox it. This is the box you get. This is what comes inside the box here. You get a little a QR code and stuff like that for the Discord and for the Slime VR setup, because these are slime trackers. All right, first thing you get a cable, some stickers, a little froggy. All right, let me move this right here. Of course, you got all your straps. So all of mine are already set up. I have them up to where I like them. These are the little mounts for the trackers, so that you get a chest harness. You get your waist, your feet, and your thighs for tracker straps. So this is the the harness for your chest here. Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. You get one extra of these, and then one extra of the other clips. I'll set that right here as well. These are just extra clips for when you get. See, I got the 6, so I mean I have more for all 10, and then one extra, so I have 11 in total. And then here is the good part right here, the trackers itself. I'm just gonna set that right here. For the trackers itself, I didn't have the stickers on the side, so like I have it labeled chest, but I mean they're not too big, and they're so comfortable. Like I would have to end up tapping my chest every 5 minutes to fix my drift. With these, I use these for good. I was on since from like 8 o'clock last night all the way up to like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I've literally had to tap my chest maybe like 3 or 4 times. That's it in total, and it's literally like this, not like here's this, and then you tap it and it like drift that far. There's not bad drift on them. I'm really enjoying these, and I just wanted to make I wanted to make a video, just opening the box, doing a review, and showing what we got inside. And then I'll go through some settings and stuff that, like, I'll just scroll through like my settings and stuff that I have. So we'll go through that. All right. All right, onto the . All right. So for the settings for Slime VR. So they do have to be, so you have to have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi for the trackers to work, and you want to when you do the setup, you'll do of course the setup wizard, and then you'll connect like you'll do your password and your internet info, and then your password. But you want to have it set to, like, say like I have like Spectrum or whatever. You have an option to set your Wi-Fi to 2.4 gigs for 30 minutes, so it can connect to the best Wi-Fi. But we're just going to turn on my chest here. I'll show you that it connects. Right there it is. And then when you have them all set up for the first time, you do want to sit them down and let them calibrate. And that's just basically sitting all your trackers on the table for a few seconds, and then good to go. I had this up in maybe 10 minutes yesterday. That's just because I do have all my settings and everything set up the way I done had it. So like it was just more or less plug and play for me. But so for my tracker mechanics, I'll just scroll down through here real slow for y'all, so y'all can see if y'all want to copy my settings here. All right. But yeah, that is my review on Venti. One of my friends bought me these, and I'm super excited. I just wanted to do a good quality review and an unboxing,